Okay, we are here, 1, 2, 3, in Lima, and we are heading down to Wakama Beach. I'm just leaving my apartment. Had to do some setup here during traffic. Go ahead. Give you a quick tour of my neighborhood. This is area is called Miraflores. This is the I'd say this is the older part. Actually, it's all about the same. It continues kind of to recycle classic, pretty modern urban development type thing. Definitely helpful in this urban environment to ride up as opposed to sitting. Get to see things better. All right, a little BMW there. It's pretty cool. First time running both GoPros, so I'm not sure what the results are going to be. Figure I'll take a quick little urban shot here with this, so just get a feel for what's going on. My visor's opened, but I'm pretty comfortable with the sound quality running through the Rode mics. Turn up one more block. As usual, I'm running 2 GPSs, Google Maps and Motorrad. The nice thing about having the 2 is I can always switch from one to the other without losing my... And I just missed my turn. I'm going to turn around here. Come back here. And here's my street. Got a new building going up. Hey, little doggy. Woof, woof. Lost my beamer, buddy. Let's see here. Go here. Oop, it's just going the wrong way. Is it by the sky? There's my house here, Playa Porta. That's the parking lot they're building. The blue one there, that's my apartment. Pretty cool. All right, let's continue on to our original route. I don't know if it's the fuel, but let's switch back to where our primary is, where we want to go.
What's the point?
Cut favorites. Cañete. Go. All right, that's our beach destination there. Now I'm running both GoPros on my phone, so I'm able to switch from one to the other and control them from here. I also have voice control, which is nice. And I can switch over to Google Maps, just like that, so I can run double maps. If I need to make an alternate, did not mean to get behind this bus on the right side. If you want to stay more in the middle of traffic here. I am turning right here, though. Roll. I'll keep the cameras on for a little bit, until we get to Miraflores, and then I'll turn it back on again when we get to the coast. I set the fastest route because we're in the middle of Almuerzo time here, so that's always going to be sketchy. Going to the beach would be nicer. I might try just go down to the beach here. And here's the coast. This might look familiar. If you've been here before. About 4 blocks from the beach. Or from the cliff, rather, overlooking the beach. Oops, they got it back. I'm still recording. We're good there. Road work here. Let's continue along the shore side here. So now we're going to go down what's called a bajada, ramp down to the actual beach. This is la bajada de Barranco, bajada Costa Verde. My apartment's down by the bajada Alta. Also kind of pretty similar to this type of thing. All right, just dropped down my visor, so sound quality should be a little better on my voice. I'm going a little faster here. Yep. I think this wants me to go this way. All right, little hop-a-doo. And this is la Costa Verde. Let's see, it's a Thursday afternoon. Still morning here. It's about noon, and stuff doesn't really start happening here until like 10:30, 11 o'clock. It's kind of like LA or California in that standpoint. And then even though they're on Eastern time zone, and then they kind of groove and work till about 2 in the afternoon, and then it's almuerzo time. Basically, it's 2.5, 3 hours off to go eat and do whatever, and then you come back to work around like 4 o'clock, and you work till like 7, 8, 9 o'clock at night. Now we're at Barranco. There's surfers out there, if you can see them. To get around some of these people here. Yeah, Camaro, that's interesting. Don't see many of those around here. Time to turn around and jump off. I'm gonna hop off that, go off the coast here and up to the up that cliff. There's a reason why, South Americans get into, motorsports. This is why. Just to actually be able to just to regular drive, you have to have skills. It doesn't even matter if you go fast or slow. Just maneuvering through just a normal traffic design requires, more attention to what you're doing and maneuverability than your typical, road car. Just sudden stops, and all of a sudden you'll have a speed bump for no reason at all, just cause. Let's go around here. It's a little bit more interesting. All right, we're gonna head back into town, off the coast. I'm gonna cut, actually I'll leave the GoPros on a little bit longer, just so you can kind of check out all that stuff. Could go around here like this guy. Not sure, but I want to turn left up here, so I don't want to go too far off that edge. I'm going to go here. Straight to Chorrillos. What traffic looks like up there. Pretty high up there. I'm okay on fuel for now, but I am going to wait till I get out of Lima, out to the coast. All right, I'm gonna say goodbye. See you later.